Hi, Canes. This is Miss Heffron, and I'm here to talk to you about the academies at HHS. So this is a way to add value to your high school experience, and I'm going to talk a little bit about what that means. So what are the academies? They're these small learning communities where you can explore your passion, like the things you're interested in. Think about all the electives and those kind of things, and how you can delve deeper into that. So we have art communications and global studies, which I oversee, business management and finance, which Miss Harrington does, Career Plus, which is for our CTA and NJROTC students, and then the Teacher Academy of Maryland. Both of those Miss Tolson oversees, and then a STEM Academy, which Miss Shoup does. So, what are the benefits to the academies? The hope is that if you join an academy, it's a smaller learning group, right? So you can create a connection with your peers and teachers. You can participate in experiences that are only open for academy students, which are really neat. We've had speakers, we've gone on field trips. It's been a lot of fun. You can find connections in your area of interest, so like connection to jobs, connection to future paths, connections to schools that you may not have thought about. You can also explore your passion without having the college price tag, which is really nice. Why should you join? So there's this value added approach because we are creating these connections and we are making this experience more tailored to your passions. It's also recognized by colleges and universities. Lots of studies have been done on the academy model, and there are a lot of schools who are picking up on them. And colleges and universities are really happy to see students start delving into their passions. You're going to become more energized and engaged. You're going to get to explore career paths and opportunities. We write you recommendation letters, you get a court at graduation, and like I said earlier, you get to participate in these unique experiences that connect your learning to your passion. So the way you join is an email is going to be sent out to all students with instructions and a form to fill out if you're interested. Also, if you want some more information about registering, you can ask your counselor as you're doing the registration process. So stay tuned to Stormwatch for more info on the specific academies and more details about each of these things. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.